Welcome to Dontgetrekt. I'm a crypto enthusiast since 2013 and the web developer behind buybitcoinsmart.com. Today, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Albania. So let's get started. To begin, go to buybitcoinsmart.com and type in Albania. Then you'll see a list of all the best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in Albania. Choose an exchange that suits your needs. And step 2, register and KYC. This process usually involves providing your personal information and verifying your identity. And step 3, deposit fiat and buy Bitcoin. This process is different depending on which exchange you chose, so be sure to follow the instructions on their website. And thanks for watching. Make sure to click the link below to see the updated list of all the best exchanges in Albania. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll never miss a new video and can continue to learn more about crypto. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends in crypto, earn free crypto, airdrops, DeFi, NFTs and more, be sure to join the Don't Get Wrecked Academy. Link below. And that's it for today. See you in the next video.